Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell items in Nightreign. First, navigate to the in-game marketplace, usually found via your main menu or by speaking with a specific non-player character in a major city. Once there, open your inventory and select the items you wish to sell. Ensure they are marked as tradable to avoid any listing errors. You'll then be prompted to specify the quantity you want to list. This initial step is crucial for a smooth selling experience. Now, let's talk about pricing. Before listing, always research the current market value of your item. Check what similar items are selling for to ensure your price is competitive, perhaps within 10% of the average. Factor in rarity and demand. A rare legendary item might fetch several thousand gold, while common crafting materials could be just a few silver. Input your price per unit, confirm the quantity, and be mindful of any listing fees, which are often around 5% of the final sale. To maximize your sales, promotion is key. Actively use the dedicated trade chat channel to announce your offerings, perhaps every 15 minutes during peak hours. If Nightreign supports player-owned stalls, set one up in a bustling city square. Visibility is everything. Regularly relist your items to ensure they appear at the top of marketplace searches. You might also consider offering a small discount, say 10%, for buyers purchasing 5 or more units of a common resource. Once an item sells, your earnings will typically be deposited into your in-game mailbox or available from a specific non-player character. Remember to collect them promptly. Continuously monitor market trends. If an item's price drops by 20%, adjust yours. Maintaining a diverse inventory, from crafting components to rare gear, can significantly broaden your appeal. Finally, patience is a virtue. High-value items, like a legendary weapon worth 50,000 gold, might take several days or even a week to find the right buyer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.